Welcome to the Osborne Park Bowling Club. It's a very momentous occasion. The greens are going green and it's terrific to have the formal official ceremony of the flicking of the switch of the 30 kilowatt system that should save 17,000 kilograms of carbon and halve the electricity cost here. And we have with us Councillor David Michael from the City of Stirling. David, what are the benefits of the city, the bowling club here installing this solar system?
Look, at the City of Stirling, we try in our own buildings to put panels on and to make sure that they're water-wise and energy efficient. It's great that there's been such a great partnership between yourselves, Carbon Footie and the Osborne Park Bowling Club, and we hope that a lot more clubs will take this initiative, one, to save the club money on the electricity bills, and two, to keep carbon out of the atmosphere.
So this is a first. What other incentives do you think the City of Stirling can do to incentivise community groups like this to go greener?
I think what we need to do is make the process easier for our clubs to be able to do this, and we might need to look at some of our policies. And I think that when we renovate buildings ourselves, it's something that we should look at in maybe partnership with clubs.
City of Stirling, it's great that we're now seeing community groups being able to install these panels. Osborne Park and the bowling club at Osborne Park is obviously going to lead the way for community groups around the City of Stirling, and the support that we're going to see from Council from this should be brilliant.
The main thing is a big cost-cutting measure. It's very difficult to run a club like this and get that bottom line right. I know several bowling clubs have taken the step. I had a look at them and got feedback from those people before we actually committed to this, and there wasn't a negative side from any of the clubs that were involved.
They can expect to the tune of conservative $15,000 a year and more off their electricity costs, straight off their bottom line, which is an excellent result. It's going to be an excellent result for the club. Wattage of the panel is an interesting one. The wattage for each panel is 300 watts. So we've got over 100 panels on the roof, each putting out 300 watts. They're connected to two dual 15 kilowatt SMA German inverters that are located in the back of the club there, and that's where they power the system, and that's connected to the meter, which is going to be less stress on the grid, and they'll consume all the electricity that's provided by the solar system. It's a 33% return on their investment. Can't put that in the bank these days. So with the rising energy costs and being not for profit, everyone's mindful, if you're in those organisations, to reduce those costs, and Osborne Park are doing that, and they're going to be the pioneers, I think, for the future for other community groups such as bowling clubs, etc., to undertake it.
Bowling clubs in the area, we're always looking at a way of saving money, so this is going to be a really major help for us. I think it's just a great thing that the club's done. We appreciate what the members have put forward, because without the membership this would not have been possible, so we really appreciate what they have done.